Welcome to this video now. It's the roadmap video. It's where I show you in general how the journey is going to be, how long, what you need to do in this journey, and what will I be offering. All of that. We have, of course, discussed all of this in the webinar or it's also there on the website. But let's also clarify it now. This program, the Ikigai Parent Journey of Transformation, has 3 levels. Level 1 is knowledge, where you are right now. This level 1 should take you 1 week. That's it. The ideal manner to do it is in 1 week. This is a self paced course. You can pace it by yourself the way you want, but for beautiful, optimum, amazing results, I want you to do this in 1 week. I challenge you to do this in 1 week. The second level is the implementation level. Whatever knowledge you've got, how do you exactly implement it? What do you do week by week? What is the exact change I make? We are going to discuss in the implementation phase. While in the knowledge phase, the level 1, we've discussed everything related to the theory, related to understanding children, what is optimal development for children. In the implementation phase, we are going to talk about specific changes to be made at home. For example, what time should your child actually go to sleep? That's the level of specificity we will go to. Of course, I'll also tell you how to implement in a way that it works perfectly for your family as well. After implementation of 6 weeks, which is going to be methodical, amazing, and very specific, you will apply for the Ikigai Parent Award. Now, what are you going to do with this award? Who is this award for? This award is for yourself. It's not something that you may want to keep it in your showcase, though you might do that. That's your choice. But this award is actually a recognition for yourself because the application is not going to be easy. There are many milestones to hit, and when you hit them, you would have actually gone through the journey of transformation. You would have actually made a very tangible, beautiful, positive difference to your life. And the level 3 is the personal Ikigai. Personal Ikigai is when we work on you because you have gone through some kind of transformation while you were in level 1 and 2 and you want more. This personal Ikigai program is not only about parenting, it's about yourself. It's about how you show up at work. It's about what are your aspirations and vision for your life. There are so many parents that I've worked with, many of them mothers, who have such an inner need to actually go out there and work in the professional world, but they don't know how to because they've been a stay-at-home mother for a while now, and it's hard. It's hard to reintegrate into the workforce. So, personal Ikigai is achieving any vision that you have for yourself. Why is personal Ikigai a part of this? Is because it has happened many times over the last 100 parents that I've worked with that the relationship gets so stronger that it does result into a personal transformation.